The one thing that comes to my mind right now is that the only thing that stays the same, and I've said this just recently, is that everything changes. So like, if you look at the siding, this would be 30s or 40s. That was the siding that went over this siding. So that if you look in here, that would have been the siding. And then cardboard with wallpaper helped keep the wind from blowing through the cracks. Cardboard with wallpaper. That's how much we've improved. It's not, it was, they were doing what they could back then because they had limited resources. Now, if you look over in that room, they put paneling over everything. That was 60s or 70s. If you look at this drywall, it's actually called reinforced fiberglass with fiberglass. So I've not seen that. So that's probably 50s, early 60s. And if you look at the wood that here, this is the wood that they had when they built this house. You turn around and look behind Drew here. It's rough sawn oak, which would be from a sawmill locally. Now we don't have to do with the stuff that is cut locally. It can be cut all the way up in Canada or Brazil and brought here. So everything changes. Everybody talks about the science now, but if you remember, it was okay to have asbestos, DDT. It was new, scientifically made by chemical engineers, and it changed. We found out that that's not good for us. So everything changes. What science is looking back in the past to make a prediction for the future. Optimistic, we would hope. Still, everything changes. That's just the thought I wanted to leave with you. The only thing that stays the same is everything changes.